welcoming you to yet another achievement. This evening, I am spending time with someone who is too good to be true in a sense. When you hear from her what she's been able to do, you will really understand the power that this young lady possesses. Haripriya, good evening. Haripriya, can we have her mic unmuted, please? Because mic.
Just hold on, just hold on. Just hold
Sure,
on.
sure, sure, sure.
Okay, Haripriya, yeah, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, please. Ramesh bhai.
Yeah, I've been hearing so much about you, Haripriya.
I'm glad.
Very accomplished young lady you are.
Thank you.
Tell me what all do you do in college apart from studying? I know that studying part is a very small part. The rest of it, what all do you do?
Actually, I did my intermediate course in British Council. Then I
Uh-huh.
did entrepreneur course in Concordia College. It was tied up
Mhm,
with Etiraj. Then
mhm,
I have joined in several clubs like Road Track, RRC, CCC, ESL, Entrepreneur Club.
mhm. Uh, how did you get to hear about Global Ghana?
Uh, Actually, I have heard it from my father's friend.
Mhm,
Actually, he's a Pandian sir. So I feel so sorry that he can't able to attend and see this. I would have
mhm.
grateful if we have attended, but I'm grateful and thankful to him. Because of him only I have got this opportunity. Otherwise, I would have not heard about the Global Gardener.
Okay. And when you heard about Global Ghana from him, what were your reactions?
I was surprised. How can they will give the amount we have spent it as a coin? Then
Mhm,
first meeting I was attended was Princess. I have
mhm.
heard so much about the Princess because he was a trainer of my dad, and he used to tell a lot about him. So I was so excited to sit in the meeting. After meeting was end, I was chasing my dad like I want to do this. I want definitely want to do. And he talked to Pandian sir, and Pandian sir then he connected me to the Global Ghana.
Yes, Prince is one of our most accomplished trainers. He
Yes,
has the
yes.
ability to inspire a lot of young people. Wonderful. Uh, so you heard about Global Gardener, and then what else did you do? After you heard, what did you do?
Uh, the first thing I did is I told to my friends. My friends, everybody was excited, but their family members were not enough to able to trust them with this money. But I was so grateful that my parents had decided to spend on me, invest on this.
Hmm.
Then
Okay.
yeah, then later I talked to my dad that how can I contact people. I really want to do this, but without the contact support, how will I do that? Then my dad said, if you are really interested, I will support you in the all way. And he gave me all the contact, and I contact each and everybody, and everybody was. I was surprised that everybody never said no.
Okay.
That
Right.
really made me so confident about this work I have taken. Then
Hmm.
I made them to attend the BOP, which was taken by Bala sir every Wednesday and Sunday. So
Hmm.
that's my work. Is my work is I will talk to them and I will make them to sit in the meeting and press the CPC. They will automatically will come and join this.
So sweet. So very sweet.
Thank you,
Um,
thank you.
now, you're telling me nobody said no to you.
No, no, nobody said. Everybody was surprised like how they will give the return. Then what we did is first we recharged ourselves and we took a screenshot and sent it to everybody and they started believing that. But still some people are in other profession so they can't come and join the global Ghana. So we made them as a user.
Okay, how sweet. Now, one should never ask this to a lady, and one should not ask this to a pretty young lady at all. But how old are you really?
21.
You're 21 years old. My gosh. All right. Uh, 21 years old. Do you really know what you have achieved today?
Yeah, it's quite an accomplishment, but still it's a collective victory, sir. I will not claim it for myself. This is a
Mhm,
teamwork that my dad
mhm,
and my dad's brother Ganesh, he helped me so much. He gave me the
mhm.
full support and he made everybody to call me and talk to me. So I have convinced them and I make them to sit in the meeting.
Apart from becoming a director of Global Garner,
Yeah,
today you have become a shareholder of the company,
yeah. I was so
and
excited.
you are the youngest shareholder we have. I don't think we have anybody younger than you. So anybody younger than you has to be a minor. So I don't think there are any minors here. But great. We are very happy that we've got somebody as young as you. But tell me, um, with the kind of energy that you've got, what next? What are you aiming at?
Actually, I have talked with Vikas sir, but Vikas sir gave me like 32 UPass as a target, but I had my own target. It is 100 UPass.
Wow, good God,
Yeah,
100 you pass.
I've joined it as a, then I had a target that I have to finish 100 UPass by myself and in my team. Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's really wonderful. Tell me, um, how many 100 in how many days?
Uh,
Just a
maybe like
guess, just a guess, just a guess.
maybe
Yeah.
like 40 days, maybe sooner, but still
Hmm.
40 days.
40 days. Okay. All right. The way you're going on, very soon, Vikas Rawat will have to vacate his place and make you the CEO.
Uh,
But we're very excited that you're so excited with Global Ghana. Uh,
yeah,
you told me that your father's brother and
yeah.
other relatives helped you out also.
Okay.
Okay. What about your friends?
My friends, that's what I said, sir. My friends are interested, but what makes it, the parents cannot trust them with that money. But my parents were trust me enough because it's going to be an experience for me. This is my first experiment. After all,
Right.
I want to say. So they
Hmm.
trusted me, so I'm grateful for them. So what I did is I made them as a user because younger generation was the one who always do this online shopping. Even though the parents are like good enough, but still they will make us to do. So I know how much I've booked in online from Amazon, Chain, Lifestyle. So my
Yes.
target is make them as a user.
Hmm. Um, how much of shopping do you personally do online?
Yeah, I do quite a lot, sir. If it is, I'm going for a college, so I really need so much dresses and makeup product. So I spend like 5K per month myself.
Mhm. You don't look like you need any makeup. So where is the money going?
Still, we buy. I have a sister, sir, so I buy
Uh,
for her,
uh,
and even I buy myself.
all right. Uh-huh. Um, this whole concept of global Ghana, okay?
Okay.
Um, in your mind, where do you think it'll reach?
Uh, Everybody asked me that. Do you think that vendors will do the digitalization?
Mhm,
They asked me, I told them that even everybody, Jio is the first person who to start the 4G, and everybody
mhm,
thought that it's going to be a flop because everybody has 3G, 2G, but Mukesh Ambani launched it at 4G, and everybody
mhm.
now using 4G. There is no
True,
2G, no
true,
3G.
true.
So it's going to take time, but definitely it will make it success within like a 6 months, as Vikas Rawat has said.
Mhm. Uh, do you know that uh, the shares that you got now are already worth 50,000 rupees?
Yeah, today actually in a section you have told me that how much value. I was so shocked that this 10 shares is going to be cost fortune for me.
Okay. So what will you do with all the money that you're going to get?
In share,
Yeah, all the money that you will earn through your shares. What are you going to do with it?
I
Two
will
years
keep.
later, you'll be
No, I
just
will
23
keep it
then.
for long.
Hmm.
I will keep it for
Buy
long.
buy a house or something.
No, sir. I will keep it for the long. It's like an investment, which
Mhm.
we kept for the long. We will benefit more. So I will keep it.
Okay. So you will keep it for a very long time in
Yeah,
Global
yeah,
Garner itself. Oh,
yeah.
nice. Nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. What do you think about Vikas?
At first I have heard Global Garner, and I thought me and my dad actually thought this. Why we didn't get this idea? Seriously, why we didn't get this? We have a same brain, but still we didn't get it. So it was so shocked. Because
Uh-huh.
before like joining Global Garner, we were thinking like which app should we develop, which app we should create. After that, we heard this, and why we didn't even think of this?
Um, okay.
And
Vikas is a smart guy, all right. But what
okay.
does your dad do?
My dad actually doing cryptocurrency.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Hmm. And you all stay in Chennai, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, I want to ask you this. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
now you're very young. You're just about 21. 10 years from now, where do you think Haripriya is going to be? What will she be
May,
doing?
maybe a state head. Sorry, Bala sir. State head. No offense, sir. Oh,
No, Bala by that time will have become CEO, and the CEO would have become the chairman, so that's okay. Okay. Uh, this is as far as Global Garner is concerned. Somebody
okay.
with a mind as brilliant as yours, what do you want to do with the rest of your life?
Actually, I would decided to be a trainer. So
Hmm.
I wanted to be trained under Prince Sir because I heard so much about the Prince Sir that my dad trained him. He motivated him. He used to tell me that I'm here because of Prince Sir. Prince Sir gave me that confidence. He really has that motivational speaker. If I say some issues, after talking to him, I will think, oh, what is this issue I was talking about? It's quite easy with him. And Bala sir was such an enormous support to me. It's already a burden to me making this for me, but still he didn't thought of this burden. He thought of my potential, and he helped me.
Hmm. So sweet, so very sweet. Balu, do you want to ask her any question? Balu, do you want to ask Haripriya any question?
Sir, nothing to add, sir. We
Sir,
have
no
already
offense,
discussed a
sir.
lot.
Sir, no
Uh,
offense, sir.
don't worry. Prince, what are your feelings today?
Sir, I'm
Prince,
really
what?
happy. Sir, I'm really happy that I have introduced Haripriya to Global Ghana. Thanks to Shinbaga Pandian sir also for bringing Haripriya into the fore to the Global Ghana, and real thanks to Vikas Rawat ji for really supporting Haripriya, and Ramesh ji also for supporting. And anytime any doubt is there, Haripriya would not hesitate. Even 9 o'clock at night or 10 o'clock at night, she would not hesitate to call me or Bala sir to get things clarified. And sometimes I'll be really amazed to see her working. During 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night, she'll be asking questions, which means she's working. During that time also, that is the kind of commitment that Haripriya is showing. Basically, because she has got the idea of Global Ghana so imbibed in her that even when sleeping, she is talking about Global Ghana. That's what her father is saying now. So that is the kind of commitment that Haripriya is showing. And hats off to Haripriya for such a great achievement, and I'm proud that she is a part of my team. And
Thank you, sir.
she's not only going to vacate Bala sir, she's also going to
I'll
vacate
just
me also
interrupt
from.
in between. Actually, we have not talked about what she have actually achieved. So everybody is
Oh,
asking what she has achieved actually.
okay. Balu, please tell us what she has achieved in your own words.
Just hold on, Balu. I'll unmute you. Bala, you are unmute or what? Okay, you are not unmute. Just hold on, Balu. Yeah, Balu, please go ahead.
Balu, tell us what she has achieved.
Sir, it is better if I feel that if Vikas ji is saying it is from the topmost person, first person of Global Ghana, it will be nice for her achievements, sir. That is what my.
Okay.
No, today I don't have a role to play. Today you guys have role to play.
No, sir. Please, if you are announcing that, that will be good. Great motivation for all the team.
Okay.
All
First
right,
of
Vikas,
all,
please tell us.
congratulations,
what she's
Haripriya.
achieved.
Thank you so much, sir.
Today, actually, yesterday only I got to know your name and everything. So it was really surprise to me, first of all. And
Thank you,
looking
sir.
at you, the charisma that you have with your voice and everything, it is really good. And you are proving every bit of what Balu has told me about you. Okay, so it is for everyone. Haripriya has achieved 10 U pauses in last 30 days, right?
Less than 30 days.
Less than 30 days, sir.
So less than 30 days, 10 U pause. What we expect from a partner is that he should sell 1 U pause in a month. What she has done is 10 U pause in even less than 30 days. And you just heard her talking that she wants to have 100 U pause. And how much time, Haripriya? Actually, I was so mesmerized when you were talking, no? I was just thinking, how can someone has evolved in such a way? Matlab, it was actually beyond my imagination. What you were talking, no? It is something really, though I am the creator of this concept, but I could have never assumed that a partner will perform in such a great way. Never. I never thought it. So I think you totally deserve what you have got. And
Thank you so much, sir.
yes, it is
She's
incredible.
going to take 40 days. Vikas, she's going to take less than 40 days to bring in 100 UPass.
Oh, superb. So I think she will actually give tough tasks to everyone for that thing. So I'm totally speechless, Haripriya. What you have done and what you are telling that you will do, it is something really great. I cannot assume someone so young and having such a gravity towards its work is something really great. I don't think so. In 21, I was what I was doing. Okay, I was with GFC. I don't.
I bet you are chasing some girl at that time.
Hey, that though I'm doing since class 9th. So it was really good to have Haripriya. I think you will
Thank you so
inspire
much,
many
sir.
today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because,
Okay,
Ramesh, sir, can I
yeah,
add one
Balu.
thing?
yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead, Balu.
Usually we will be mesmerized with the big dream of a Vikas ji, right? When
Yes.
Ji was talking about some targets, how to achieve all those things, we will say that is a Vikas way of presenting things. We usually
Yes.
say. But today one person is there who can dream bigger than Vikas. Right,
Absolutely,
no, sir?
absolutely,
Very true,
absolutely.
very true.
I
Very true.
could have never wrote this number on my Excel figure that a partner will achieve this. I have never thought about it. That is why I kept this partner share capital thing for 5 viewers only. That if someone will sell, let's say in 6 months, he will sell 5 viewers, we'll give him a share. But what she has done is simply amazing, Haripriya. It is simply amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Vikas ji, one small request.
Yeah.
Don't revise the target for others. It is let it be 5 UPass. Okay.
No, absolutely,
All
absolutely.
right.
But Haripriya, you will actually make many people think about what they were doing since now. I think
I hope so.
the commitment that you have for Global Ghana, it's really amazing. And I would like to meet you once I'm in Chennai or Balu takes me to Chennai. Seriously,
I will come to Ahmedabad, sir.
oh, great. Actually, we were supposed
She
to
has
have
to
you in
come.
Ahmedabad, but sorry,
Yeah.
this Corona has, but then no issue. But actually, I would like to ask you why in Corona only you did all this? Because every other person I hear is that he is waiting for Corona to get end to perform, and whereas you have performed superbly well when Corona is already there.
I'm still waiting for some people to join me after Corona, sir.
No, that is okay. But of course, in Corona time, what performance you have given, it's something I don't think so. I think there would be boys or the men in the system who are just waiting for things to happen. But you made things happen. That is the biggest part of you, right?
All right. Okay. Vikas,
Yeah.
Ramesh, sir.
I just like, yeah, Balu.
So now,
Yeah.
hearing the words of Haripriya, I have to work still more to keep up my position, I think.
Yes, she
Ah,
is all.
your chair is on danger.
Danger, sir, now.
Sir, I said no offense, sir.
No issues. We are also
No, sure,
we are
all
also
right.
kidding. We are also kidding. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you have just been listening to Haripriya and her story on what she's been able to achieve. Think for a moment. What is special about Haripriya? 21 years old, There are many of us who are young, studying in a college. Well, we have children who are studying in colleges. Uh, what is so special about her that we didn't have? I think what she had was commitment. What she had was a sense of belonging. The day she decided that she wanted to be part of Global Garner, she was not content just to be an observer. She didn't want to be just a participant. She wanted to belong to Global Garner. I think there's a very strong message here. Those people who want to belong to Global Garner, please understand this very, very clearly. One, we have very limited seats available. Two, we have very limited opportunities available, because if we have 10 Haripriyas working in Global Garner, in the next 3 months, 9 lakh UPAs will get sold. And if they get sold, then all of us who are still thinking about buying a UPAs will never ever be able to buy a UPAs. Please think about this. Second, please also understand that if a young girl with limited number of contacts, relying mostly on her father's contacts, if she could achieve so much, each one of us who's got more than 1,000 people in our contact list, can we do the same? And for whom are we doing it? Basically, we are doing it for us. Okay, Global Garner is second, but we are doing it for us. Because each achievement means a little addition to our own family fortune. And every addition means a little more respect given to us. A young girl, 21 years old, she is going to become a director of this company. Isn't that something to be proud of? She's going to become a crorepati in this company. Isn't that something to be proud of? I think that message is very strong. Let's wake up. Stop sleeping. Let's wake up and start working, because coronavirus is not going to last forever. Okay? And whether you're using it as an excuse or you're using it as an asset, it does not matter, but it's not going to last forever. And before it gets over, let's all get the number of UPAs that we want. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Global Garner, let me thank you very much for being here with us this evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Thank
Malu.
you.
Thank you, Haripriya. Keep
Thank you,
Thank
doing
you
sir.
so much,
keep
sir.
inspiring us
Thank you.
all.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you.